but you pretend to take him for a walk. There. Don't put it in your mouth. What happened to your flag?
I don't know, it was broken.
What did you just eat? I'm scared.
It was probably a piece of pizza that Sky was eating earlier.
Super faggot. Your cape came off. Having fun walking the leash?
Yeah, really.
She just seems so proud of herself.
Yeah.
Oh, by the time you talk to me. Oh, she beat me.
He takes the flag off.
She's like, no, you look. Oh, she's trying to put his leash on.
I know, it's cute.
So cute. Like, make a video.
I am making a video.
Oh. It doesn't go on his bob.
Stop going back and forth, ma'am. I have to keep going back and forth. Cutie! Cutie! What's with that face? Where'd puppy go? Where'd puppy go?
Oh.
Go walk. Don't put it in your mouth.
She's like, where'd he go? Where did he go?
Duke. Isn't he
Oh, he's
under
like
the
right
table?
under you. He's like, get me away.
Be nice to puppy. Just go walk.
Hey, take your ducky for a walk. Here, take your ducky. Take ducky for a walk. Yep, walk your ducky.
That's cute.
It's like, no, that doesn't belong on the duck. Apparently ducks don't qualify as walkable. Come on, walk the duck.
Go walk. Go walk. Leave puppy alone.
Duke, come here. Duke, come here. Hey, come on.
Fine, you just say you don't want to walk anymore.